Hey friends, welcome back to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak and this is a channel where I talk about Laravel and the cool thing about Laravel. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so in this episode, I will give you answers of 4 questions about me that many of you has asked me. So the first question is why I have learned Laravel. Firstly, I was working on a core PHP and I want to just show you my codes. So here's the code I have written for a project I have developed that is called the online examination. And you can see I have written these PHP codes, the core PHP, and let's see this codes. You can see I have to do all these things. Each and every variable I have to grab each and every variable. And now look at this code. I have to escape each and every data I'm getting from the form. These are the most tedious part. But look at the code I have on the Laravel. So for the Laravel, for doing the same thing with Laravel, I can use just a single command called insert. Nothing else. Okay. This command is compared with this command. You can see I have to do all these things and then I have to submit. Look at these things. These I have to check for every file I have uploaded, and then after I have to put a query, and look at this query. And now just look this query for the Laravel. So I think you know how easy it is to work with Laravel. That's why I have learned Laravel. So the next question is why you should learn Laravel. Because Laravel is a top rated framework? No, because when you Google PHP framework you will get first number on Laravel. No, that's the obvious reason. The reason I am giving you, if you want to become a great developer, you should learn Laravel. The most important word and a single line answer to this question, if you want to become a great developer, just learn Laravel because it's awesome. It will change your life, I'm sure. Okay, so obviously the next question is how I learned Laravel. So after the core PHP, I worked with CodeIgniter also, I worked with Symfony, I worked with Ruby on Rails. But when I learned Laravel, I feel complete developer. Okay, and I learned Laravel from its documentation. Because the most important thing is that the correct syntax and the correct way of writing the codes. And that should you learn from Laravel documentation. I also recommend you to learn from documentation, and if there is a problem on the documentation, you can feel free to ask me. So I learned Laravel from its documentation, and obviously when I have any problem, I will go to Stack Overflow. I will ask their questions, and in this way I learned Laravel. And the next question is that why to learn from me? You can see if you Google or if you go on YouTube, if you search for Laravel tutorials, you will find many tutorials and many channels which are much more subscribers than me, having much more knowledge than me. But I think my style of teaching, my style of creating a video is different, because I want you to firstly learn each and every basic topics, every concept. Then after we will come to project. If you try to see other videos which are available on other fields, you will get a project, directly a project. Yeah, this will also help, but if you know basic things, then you will come to project. That will be a great learning experience for you. So if you want to learn something which change your life, if you want to become a great developer, learn Laravel. And if you want the simple explanation, learn Laravel from me. And if you are seeing this video as my first video, so please go ahead and complete Laravel 5.4 tutorials, the whole tutorial series, and complete that videos. Then after, see the other series, and obviously after these series you will be able to create your own website, and obviously I will going to teach you, I will going to help you. So you can message me on Facebook, you can message me on WhatsApp, you can even follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Okay, so obviously if you have any problem, feel free to comment me, and we will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.